Hello, my name is Darin and I'm the lead technician at Local Pest Control. Today we're going to show you how to properly set a rat trap. We have two separate types of rat traps today. We have the standard Victor, which most people are familiar with, and we have another one called the T-Rex, which is a little more high-tech and a little safer to use. So we're going to show you how both of these work and the best ways to use those to rid your home of rats. So the first thing you're going to notice is on the trap we have a trigger, and in the trigger there are two separate baiting areas. There's a small catch here for liquid or soft baits, and then there's a little jagged nub for sticking solid baits. For rats we use several different types of baits. The standard is peanut butter where that's acceptable, i.e. not in schools. But anything with a high fat content works very well for rats. Avocado is my personal favorite, as well as mayonnaise if the weather conditions are cold and it won't go off. So that's your Victor trap. And with the T-Rex, it's very similar. If you open it up, you'll see there's the same trigger plate, and behind that there is a small reservoir for putting liquid bait or solid baits as well. And that again is both those traps and how they are triggered. So now that you've placed the preferred bait for either of these traps, I will show you how to set the T-Rex because it is so simple. Simply have to squeeze the back end until you hear it click, and it is now set. That is as simple as that, and you want to place the trap against the wall so that the trigger is 90 degrees to the surface, and it is now ready to go. So working with the Victor is a little bit trickier because it is a two-hand operation. You need to pull the trap back, holding it firmly with your thumb, engage the bar into the trap, into your trigger, slowly release that back up until it engages. And you feel firm pressure on there, take your hand out and then let go. As you can see, there's two markings on the actual trigger, F and S. That's firm and soft. We try to use soft whenever possible because that means the trap will trigger more easily. And again, when handling the trap, try at all times to avoid this area. Again, we place the trap 90 degrees to the wall, and it is now ready to go. Obviously, you want to try to put these in a low traffic area where it will not be inadvertently set off by the homeowner or pets or small children. And now you know how to set a rat trap. So as you can see, we have now caught a rat in our trap with the T-Rex trap. Again, part of the appeal of these is the ease of disposal. You simply have to squeeze the back of this guy, and our rat will be gone. For disposal of the carcass, you do need to place it in a bag and then double bag this, and it can go out in your household trash. Same thing does apply to the Victor. Again, with these guys, they are a little less expensive. Once your rat is in the trap, you can actually take the whole trap up, again picking up by this end, and we're done.